Still wasting time at the gas station just to fill your tires? Today, we're breaking down the best compact air compressors that are powerful, portable, and perfect for home or on-the-go use. Whether it's your car, bike, or emergency kit, these small compressors deliver big performance. All product links are in the description below. Check them out. Reliable air pressure on demand can make roadside situations far less stressful. The Dewalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is designed for versatility, durability, and professional-grade performance whether you're at home, on the job site, or traveling. It supports 3 power options: 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC vehicle outlet, or 110-volt AC, making it one of the most flexible inflators available. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, this inflator handles car tires, bike tires, and even sports equipment with ease. The digital gauge allows precise pressure settings, while the automatic shutoff ensures accurate inflation without overfilling. High-volume inflation and deflation modes are included for larger items like air mattresses and rafts, adding extra functionality beyond tire use. Build quality is solid, featuring a rugged housing, heavy-duty rubber feet to prevent movement, and a durable high-pressure hose with a threaded chuck for secure connections. At 6.4 pounds, it balances portability with stability. An onboard LED light improves visibility in low-light conditions. Users appreciate its ease of use, accurate pressure readings, and travel-friendly design. While inflation speed and battery life receive mixed feedback, many customers value its reliability, professional feel, and multi-power capability for everyday and emergency use. Maintaining proper tire pressure becomes effortless with a compact device built for everyday drivers. The Airmoto portable tire inflator delivers cordless convenience in a lightweight design that fits easily in a glove box or trunk. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, it inflates tires up to 120 psi with digital precision. The easy-to-use control panel lets users select desired pressure using plus and minus buttons, and the auto shutoff function stops inflation automatically once the target PSI is reached. A large LCD display clearly shows real-time pressure, while multiple unit options, PSI, BAR, KPA, and kg/cm, add flexibility. Built-in LED lighting improves visibility during nighttime emergencies. Its build focuses on portability rather than heavy-duty use. The compact housing feels sturdy enough for routine car, motorcycle, and bicycle inflation, though it is not intended for large volume items like air mattresses. Multiple attachments are included, covering Schrader, Presta, sports needles, and general inflatables. Customer feedback highlights its convenience, compact size, and accuracy compared to manual or foot pumps. Battery life and inflation speed receive mixed reviews, but many users find it dependable for occasional tire top-offs and emergency situations, making it a practical everyday carry solution. Fast inflation and serious power define this heavy-duty cordless solution. The Etenwolf S6 tire inflator is built for drivers who need reliable performance for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. With an impressive 160 psi maximum and airflow rated at 42 liters per minute, it can inflate a 31-inch tire in about 1 minute. A massive 19,200 mAh lithium battery allows extended use, capable of inflating up to 18 truck tires on a single charge. The dual-cylinder motor and advanced cooling system support a 100% duty cycle, enabling continuous inflation without overheating. Auto-stop functionality ensures precise pressure control, while preset modes simplify operation. Build quality is robust and clearly designed for demanding environments. The casing feels durable, and the integrated 1000-lumen LED light doubles as a work light or camping lantern. USB-C fast charging adds convenience and even allows the unit to power other devices. Users consistently praise its speed, accuracy, and exceptional battery life. Many describe it as a game-changer for larger vehicles, noting reliable performance and professional-level output. Its size and power make it ideal for serious drivers who prioritize performance over ultra-compact design. Speed and precision matter when dealing with tire maintenance. The Milwaukee electric compact inflator delivers professional-grade inflation in a highly portable cordless design. Capable of topping off a car tire from 28 to 35 psi in under 1 minute, it's engineered for efficiency and accuracy. This inflator reaches up to 120 psi and can fill light truck tires in under 4 minutes. The illuminated digital gauge displays both target and current pressure, while TrueFill auto shutoff technology ensures consistent results and prevents overinflation. Anti-vibration feet keep the unit stable during operation, and the all-brass Schrader chuck provides a secure, leak-free connection. Despite its compact size and lightweight build of around 3.6 pounds, the reinforced cage offers impact and weather resistance. The 26-inch hose provides flexibility when reaching different tires. Gauge accuracy is rated within plus or minus 3%, which is sufficient for most automotive applications. Customers frequently describe it as extremely reliable and easy to use. While battery drain can be noticeable with smaller capacity packs, users appreciate its speed, build quality, and professional performance, especially for routine vehicle maintenance and emergency tire inflation. Compact design meets impressive performance in a user-friendly package. The Powools 150 PSI tire inflator is built for quick inflation and everyday convenience, capable of inflating a standard car tire in under 1 minute. Powered by dual 4,000 mAh rechargeable batteries, it delivers cordless flexibility for home, travel, or roadside use. The digital display is clear and easy to read, offering preset modes for cars, bikes, balls, and a custom option. Auto shutoff ensures accurate inflation, while the 150 PSI capacity handles most standard vehicle needs. Built-in LED lighting includes multiple modes for visibility, safety alerts, and SOS signaling. Its lightweight plastic construction prioritizes portability, weighing under half a kilogram. While not intended for heavy-duty truck tires, the build feels solid for its size. USB-C charging adds modern convenience, and included accessories expand its versatility across various inflatables. User impressions are largely positive, with praise for ease of use, compact size, and value for money. Some users report limited battery capacity for larger tires, but many appreciate its speed, simplicity, and reliability for routine tire maintenance and emergency situations. Fast inflation in a compact corded design makes roadside fixes simple and efficient. The Rocgorld R8 tire inflator operates on a 12-volt DC power source, delivering up to 150 psi with an impressive airflow rate of 40 liters per minute. It can inflate a standard car tire in under 1 minute, making it ideal for emergencies. The dual digital display shows real-time and preset pressure values simultaneously, removing guesswork and improving accuracy. Auto-stop functionality prevents overinflation, while memory settings allow quick reuse of preferred pressure levels. A 10-foot power cord and durable hose provide excellent reach around the vehicle. Build quality stands out, with a reinforced structure designed for long-term durability and effective heat dissipation. Despite its powerful output, the unit remains compact and easy to store in a car trunk or storage bag. Integrated LED lighting with multiple modes improves visibility at night. Customers consistently highlight its speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Many appreciate the reliable pressure readings and solid construction, especially considering its price point. While it requires a vehicle power outlet, users view it as a dependable, high-performance solution for everyday drivers and emergency preparedness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the links below, subscribe for more reviews, and keep your tires ready anytime.